This is a brief communique to the Commander-in-Chief of the United States, Mr. Donald J. Trump. Good evening, sir. And as follow through with putting to work the forgotten people and making America great again, bold action, the 8th branch of the U.S. Armed Forces is active and deployed to the Hawaiian Kingdom per U.S. Public Law 103-150 and de facto State of Hawaii House Resolution number 23 of 2012. And in regard to the recent use of Alaska's HAARP, High Altitude Auroral Research Project, activation of certain volcanic activities here in Hawaii, there is a eruption happening that we are tending to, and it can go cataclysmic at any moment. There's been multiple earthquakes all day long, and we have men and women on the ground, various outposts throughout the island, the largest active volcano in the world, and the ground is rumbling under our feet, and there's lava, the earth is splitting, and there's lava spewing up through the earth here, just miles away. The geothermal plant nearby is vulnerable, and just in case the whole island goes, I want to say that the Natural Guard has been active as of Executive Order 2018-0501. The 8th branch of the United States Armed Forces, the Natural Guard.us. Over and out.